I'll see you later. Husband's driving and he picked me up some breakfast. Dunkin' Donut. What's the name of this one?
Big and toasted.
Bacon toasted?
Big and toasted.
Oh, big and toasted. And I'm having coffee. And we're having, I think my husband's gonna have some
frozen colada.
Frozen colada and hash brown.
No hash browns.
So, it's it. Facing the traffic already. I'm sorry about that. It's a bird poop. There's another sign. I'll show you some New Jersey signs. Jersey billboards. It's about, hey guys, see that? Burp. You heard that? My husband burp. You observe, guys, when you're dating with somebody, but if you live together for a few months, all you hear is a big burp, fart, yawning, yelling,
continue on Garden State
whining.
That's true. Boy, did I start hearing you yelling constantly after a few months.
No,
you yell all the time.
Not me.
You.
Yeah, guys, the burp thing is really embarrassing. When I'm checking to our GPS, we're 17 minutes away from our destination. Look at that. Reed Bank is in the opposite side of New Jersey, the other side of New Jersey.
Jersey Shore, huh? You've been over here a few times.
Yeah, but Reed Bank is not really close to Jersey Shore, huh?
Sure it is. It's close to Asbury Park. Asbury Park's like the first big place on the Jersey Shore.
Sorry guys, every time I vlog, we're all like traveling or some wanna see you know what it looks like here. It's very pretty, especially if it's winter. Oh no, especially if it's, you know, summer. You can see all the trees. Again, the battery. Hold on.
Bloomfield Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right.
We here in our destination.
Not so much from the next one.
So that's the area we're going to. Not we. He's going to. They have a lot of shows here. Oh, what is the show here? Oh, I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye. Look how pretty is the sky. It's very calm. Very nice. Pampalipas oras, guys, while waiting for my husband. Listening Philippine radio station. Love radio. So ito, papalipas oras. Hi guys, 3 hours later. I'm still here waiting for my husband. It's too auditorium though, that's why. So now I'll tell you later when, I don't know when we're out here, but it's 3 hours already, so good luck to me.
Technical asked me to check theater 11.
Okay guys, hold on, Han. Okay guys, 7 minutes after I told you that it's been 3 hours already here. So 7 minutes my husband came out and we have to wait for another 3 hours. No, I'm just kidding. Now we're on the way home. So thank goodness. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't wanna come back here with him anymore. I'm just kidding.
Personally, I think it's a stupid thing. Come here and sit in the car for hours, but what can I tell you?
Yeah.
She would let you come and sit in the theater.
Who?
Dottie.
Who is that?
She's an older woman who manages the theater.
Okay, so what?
Nice lady.
Why did you say that? Did she know that you have with?
No, I didn't tell her. But if I told her, she would have told you to come in and sit in the theater. She would have come out and said, "Oh, sweetie, come inside. Sit inside. Don't sit out here in the heat. Come inside. Watch a movie here. Can I give you popcorn?" She's always so freaking nice. I'm just telling you, popular.
I can't believe that Jersey Shore.
Filming you, huh?
Huh?
Trying to film you?
Yeah. Oh shit. It's split. When it's in the car jumping, I press it. It's just freaking jumping. Let's see if you're stable. I can just catch you like that. I catch you like that.
Left.
It's like a freaking octopus.
We're wobbling.
Huh?
Wobbling.
Yeah, it's wobbling.
Keep left.
I'm sure I can see my face. Are you okay, guys? You stay there. You stay there, octopus.
47 miles.
I hope you're not gonna drop. Sorry guys, I almost dropped you. I don't want to drop my camera. It's a little hard time. But really,
There's nothing wrong with that, except that they're not running anything in there because the theater wall blew down. It's got a tarp over it.
easy pass. still alive. Thank goodness. I'll see you when we get home. Not really yet. Not really.
Somebody's getting a ticket.
No, it's not.
It's not. He just flipped his lights on.
Oh, really?
He's still got his lights on and he's in a row of traffic. What the hell is that all about?
That's not a. That's a like ambulance, something paramedic, something. It's not a regular cop that giving tickets.
Maybe somebody got sick over here.
Yeah, the ambulance, huh? There's something going on here.
Oh, they're taking their sweet ass time.
Huh?
Taking their sweet ass time.
Yeah.
Let's call Grandma.
Oh, watch out. I'll dial her.